Hey everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can start and complete the Scientist quest in Abyss. So the Scientist quest is the most important mission for the players, especially if you are new like me. And here I'm going to show you the exact locations on where you can start the Scientist quest, and also the exact location of all the items you need to find to complete the quest. So first let's find the scientist. So the scientist is located here, this one. So you can just talk to him first and ask him about the quest, and after that you'll be asked to complete the scientist quest number 1, to find toilet paper, find toilet, finding door, and also find the power relay. So you can just in the oxygen zone, so you can just move around and until you find all of the items. So the first one, the door is located here. This is a blue door, so you can just collect it. And the second one, let's find the power relays. It is located in here. Sorry, not in here. Okay, this one near Billy. So this is the power relays, and now you just need to find the toilets, and also the toilet paper. I already found it before. It's located in this tables right here where there are 3 people talking. Okay, after that you can just find the last one and you'll get the reward to complete the scientist quest. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks.